Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some charming countryside cottage decorating ideas. Let's take a look. It combines natural materials, vintage pieces, soft colors, and comfortable furnishings to create a relaxed, lived-in atmosphere. Here are some practical tips to create a charming countryside cottage look in your home. Add floral prints to curtains, cushions, tablecloths, or bedding. Layer cozy textiles like quilts, crochet blankets, knitted drawers, and linen cushions. Display vintage dishes, teapots, and pottery on open shelves. Incorporate wicker and rattan baskets for both storage and decoration. Use warm lighting from table lamps, lanterns, or candles to create a cozy evening atmosphere. Hang rustic wooden signs, botanical artwork, or framed countryside landscapes. Mix old and new furniture to create a collected, lived-in feel. Decorate with handmade items like crochet dollies, embroidered pillows, and knitted accessories. Keep tabletops simple with a tray, candles, books, and a small vase of flowers. Use ceramic bowls, wooden cutting boards, and wooden trays as decorative accents in the kitchen. Include comfortable seating with soft cushions and cozy throws. Keep the space uncluttered so each decorative piece can stand out. Focus on comfort and warmth. The most beautiful countryside cottages always feel welcoming and relaxed. Create a cozy reading nook with a comfortable armchair, a knitted drawer, and a small side table. Mix different wood tones to give the room a natural, collected over time look. Use lace or embroidered table runners for a touch of traditional charm. Add a large oven basket beside the sofa to store blankets and pillows. Use vintage-style mirrors with distressed wooden or antique finish frames. Incorporate gingham or plaid fabrics in cushions, napkins, or tablecloths. Place a rustic wooden bench in the entryway or dining area. Choose furniture with curved edges and classic details for a softer cottage feel. Use ceramic or terracotta plant pots instead of plastic ones. Style your dining table with a simple centerpiece of flowers, candles, and natural greenery. Hang oven heads or baskets on the wall as decorative accents. Use glass jars to store pantry staples while adding a charming farmhouse touch. Let every room include at least one handcrafted item, such as a crochet cushion, knitted blanket, or handmade basket to add warmth and personality. Keep windowsills decorated with small potted herbs, candles, or vintage collectibles. Create a cozy breakfast nook with a small wooden table and cushioned chairs. Use vintage-style ceramic pitchers as flower vases. Layer different fabrics such as linen, cotton, wool, and crochet for a rich, cozy look. Decorate with antique lanterns or hurricane lamps as beautiful accents. Hang lightweight linen curtains that gently filter natural sunlight. Use wooden crates to organize books, blankets, or magazines. Add a rustic coat rack made from reclaimed wood in the entryway. Display seasonal fruit in oven baskets to the kitchen counter. Use handmade pottery mugs and plates on open shelves instead of hiding them in cabinets. Choose vintage-inspired floral bedding for a soft and inviting bedroom. Add small wooden stools that can serve as side tables or plant stands. Incorporate natural stone elements such as a stone planter or decorative bowl. Use simple white dinnerware paired with wooden serving boards for everyday dining. Keep decorations meaningful by displaying family heirlooms or handmade treasures. Embrace our relaxed, imperfect style, slightly weathered furniture, handmade decor, and collected vintage finds give a countryside cottage its authentic charm. Decorate your entryway with a rustic wooden bench and oven storage baskets. Style your fireplace with candles, antique books, and seasonal greenery. Place a wooden ladder in the bedroom to hold quilts and blankets. Mix floral, striped, or checked fabrics while keeping them in similar soft colors. Add a weathered wooden stool beside a bathtub or reading chair. Use ceramic table lamps with linen shades for a warm glow. Fill empty shelves with old books, baskets, and handmade pottery. Keep fresh herbs like rosemary, mint, or basil in small pots on the kitchen windowsill. Choose vintage-style cabinet knobs in brass, ceramic, or edged bronze. Decorate your pots with rocking chairs, lanterns, and flowering plants. Use oven picnic baskets as decorative storage in living rooms or bedrooms. Keep your decor balanced by combining plastic textures, soft fabrics, vintage treasures, and natural greenery to create a peaceful countryside cottage atmosphere. Choose furniture with a gently edged or distressed finish instead of a perfectly polished look. Decorate with open wicker trays to organize candles, books, and small accessories. Place a large vintage-style wall clock in the kitchen or dining room. Layer different sizes of cushions on sofas and beds for extra comfort. Add a floral wreath above a fireplace, mirror, or headboard. Use soft, warm white lighting instead of bright, cool-toned bulbs.